to add a sub-product to a product. Actually, this is one of the super nice features of the What.io solution, that you can build infinite complexity of structure. So a main product can have local parts, instant parts, publicly available parts, but also it can have sub-products. The sub-products then can also have multiple sub-products, etc., etc. These assembly structures can have an infinite number of levels. So how you add a sub-product to your product, in this case the carbon fiber driver, which is an item that is defined as a product with its own instant parts, and simply by clicking add new sub-product in the main product menu, you can add these components or these sub-products as a part of the substructure of the main one. Very simple and very, very powerful.